Gejang. This delicious and nutritious Korean dish is synonymous with healthy eating. Its main ingredient, crab, is rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various minerals. The protein in crabs plays an important role in muscle health and weight management. Crabs are also rich in calcium and phosphorus, which are good for bone health, and minerals such as zinc are important for strengthening the immune system. Soy sauce seasoning in soy sauce marinated crab not only provides a rich flavor, but also has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which have beneficial health effects. This combination satisfies both traditional flavors and healthy diets. The variety of vegetables and side dishes accompanying soy sauce marinated crab provide additional vitamins and fiber, contributing to balancing your meals. Bbokkeum is one of Korea's beloved representative dishes, featuring its spicy flavor and rich seasoning. It uses pork as its main ingredient, and it is marinated in a sauce made with various spices, including red pepper paste, soy sauce, garlic, and sugar, to add depth to the taste. Jjigae's appeal lies in its intense taste. Its spicy yet sweet sauce adds flavor to the pork, plus a variety of vegetables such as onions, green onions, and carrots for added nutrition and color. Not only is this dish perfect as a side dish of rice, it is also very popular as a side dish for alcohol. Jjigae is the core of Korean cuisine, and its taste and nutrition have been loved for generations. This simple but rich taste of stew was created by the combination of Korea's various ingredients and traditional fermentation techniques. Soybean paste, traditional fermented soybean paste from Korea, is an essential ingredient in this stew. It gives off a deep and complex taste, creating a unique soybean paste stew flavor that is slightly different for each household. In addition to soybean pasta, the stew has a variety of vegetables, sometimes seafood or meat, to add nutrition and enrich the meal. The appeal of soybean pasta stew lies in its flexibility, because the ingredients available vary